this. Got my man pulling up right on cue. Soon as the intro hit. Soon as the intro hit, man. You see what time it is. I was just doing the intro too, and I hear this mod coming around the corner. Oh yeah, that's fire right there.
Man, I'm waiting on the fabric. I just put fabric on there for now.
Oh, you end up putting both of them on the side?
Yeah, because it's gonna be like going under the damn, going under the steering wheel. So I just changed up the game a little bit.
Y'all know anything about what VANDERHALLs look like? It didn't look like this.
I was waiting on my swatch to come in to match that down, but.
Oh, you don't like it with that material?
No, I'm
that shit look fire like that. That shit look cold. That's like having the Alcantara on the ceiling. Yeah, that's what it look. That's exactly what my mind went to as soon as I seen it. What y'all think? Keep the Alcantara or match it with the the rest of the leather on up. Yeah, this joint crazy. You put them speakers in there too? Down underneath?
Yeah, I put new speakers underneath. Speakers in the back.
Oh yeah, this joint banging while you roll.
It's crazy right now. Ain't none of those speakers on no amp. That's straight off the radio. So the amp ain't bad. The amp ain't gonna get up until the 3rd.
They been liking that video. That video almost at 200 views, huh?
This thing, boy.
Yeah, I see.
Backup camera on the snap.
Yeah, he been going to work on this thing. You can cut the music on. So you can cut the music on. That just bleep that part out.
Oh, it's up to you.
And you can cut it on. I want to hear it. Y'all make sure y'all jump down into the comments, man. Let me know what y'all think about the VANDERHALL, man. All these upgrades has been done. These tires, these wheels here come off of a different VANDERHALL. His was black when y'all seen it first. This whole interior right here was brown. What's going on with you, man?
What's he got?
Oh, I ain't no GM made, dude. Yeah, this joint crazy.
Yeah, what kind of engine is it? 200 horse.
Interior. Oh, you see that joint in the garage, right? I got it running like the next day, or maybe 2 days later. Yeah. That joint running.
We might have to go get some paint for you, get some sand.
Oh yeah, yo.
Get it pretty and shit. But I gotta check this thing. Yo, what is this? This ain't no slingshot, is it? No, I spoke a slingshot.
Yeah, no, it's colder than a slingshot. You know what I'm saying, though, man? This interior was peanut butter on the inside. I got that flipped out. This whole dash here was handcrafted by my man Alpino right there. This whole thing, so none of this was in here. This is all different. These two was sitting right here where that was. So he crafted this whole thing, wrapped it, cut these out, cut that out, put all that in there. What else? What else? Oh, all the speakers underneath there. Got one over there. That right there. This thing right here going crazy.
That's why we just trust you don't make no thing on it. Oh man, you know what though? I gotta give me some toys. I gotta be a big boy. I'm not taking hang out with the boys. Y'all don't need no 2-wheeler. I can do a 3-wheeler now.
Man,
let the wind go.
Bro got a 2-wheeler, 3-wheeler, 4-wheeler, and some cars.
I think I'd be safer with this. And what year is that?
Right now. Right now. Came out like a couple months ago.
That's why I don't know why. They've been around, but I ain't never seen it. You see the slingshots and all the other funny looking things, but this thing look like some shit from some old school design.
Like a boxcar with an engine on it. Took the pipes on the side from the old Stingrays.
Yeah, got the drag on pipes like it's a Cobra, like, look. The old Stingray Cobra. Let me get my ass up out here because I gotta leave out. I just dropped the white ball.
So it's 4.5, 0 to 60, 4.5 without the tune.
That's what is it with what y'all think, man? That joint crazy, ain't it, man? Y'all jump down in the comments. Let me know what y'all think, man. If y'all want to see some of that vet thing with the VANDERHALL, man, get some of that rolling footage, man. You know we'll get it for y'all. Y'all already know, man. Whole team winning, man. 2021 is up there. Gang, gang, gang.